video. Make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it, and the commenting. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. As you can tell by the title, today we're gonna do a Shein haul. But I picked up a few things from Shein. I feel like Shein's been having some really good deals lately, and I want to show y'all what I got. So, like I said, before we get into the video, make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and let's see what I got. I got these vests, and the reason I got these vests, one it was like $5. I don't know, but I just thought they was so cute, and they just gave me cute girls. I got this pink one. I will say these are not thick. Like these definitely like more accessory type vest and like a functional type vest. But yeah, still cute nonetheless. So I got this one. It's so cute. I thought it's really cute in the spring. As the was one. The next item I got is just this Beanies Scully. Is this a Scully or a Beanie? Is there a difference? It's this hat. And it just says wrong. Cause you know, you see the message, you see the material. These are pretty cool. I say they're pretty thick, keep your hair warm, stay on. I don't have any complaints. Like, I actually really like them. So I feel like these styles I had very affordable. This one looks a little smaller to me than my other one, or maybe I just stretched the other one out. But still cute nonetheless. Thing I got, to know me is to know I love a corset, and I need all of them. So I got this fuzzy corset top. The only thing I don't like is that it does not have any structure. Like this has like no structure, but it's cute. So we're gonna make it do what it is. But it looks like this. It kind of looks like a bunny to me, but you know it's fake. So like no animals will harm it making up this top. I will say I think it looks cuter on the model than it does just me holding it up. It's from the Shein Haul collection. I really do like the Shein Haul collection, or Shein, whatever it is called. But I think this is just really cute. I actually really like this. I got this. It's just this pretty skirt. This one doesn't have shorts. So if you get this, just know you're gonna need shorts or your stuff gonna be out. But you know, that's your business. Y'all just how y'all want that. I got a bunch of them. I got like animal print. I just got it in like the traditional brown, I guess you would say. And this is really cute. Like I said, same thing I said about the pink one. Very much accessory piece, not for warmth, but really cute. I think it'll stay out really nice. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna wear these, but I just know. The next thing I got is these shoes or slides. I don't know if they're shoes, they really. I feel like Shein shoes are subjective. So like these are slides. Like these have no grip. You gonna slide your ass right down the street. You wear these outside and it's like slippery out. But they're cute. So I would probably just wear these like, you know, around the house doing stuff when I'm running errands to do like work with my mom and stuff. But they look like these. They just like the boots. Oh, they even say home, so exactly keep these in the home. But yeah, I just got these. I just thought they was cute. She's back. Anyway, so the next thing I got shirts, and I'm not probably like, girl, what is giving pirate? It's definitely giving pirate, but I liked it. And one day I'm gonna get you pirate, so I got it. So yeah, this is my pirate shirt. It's cute. This is cute. I like this. Like, I think this is really cute in the summer with a little mini skirt. Yeah, I see the vibes. I don't know if y'all see the vibes, but I see the vibes. So I got this one. And it's just like this little pearl detail corset, which we've already established. I love corset. This is also from the Shein shirt I just showed y'all. It's also from the Mall collection, so maybe I should just do a haul for like their Mall collection or something. It's cute. It's very cute, very girly, very femme, which I love. I feel like this is not, like holding this is not doing it. Just so tight to wear this. I think I have shoes that go with this, and I'm gonna find some shoes that go with this. But yeah, like I said, it's just this satin white satin corset with pearl detailing on top, and it has these two clear straps. I think I'm gonna keep these. They're already hard. It's the same vest as the other two, but it's hard. Still, is not cute. We've already talked about two of them, so we're not gonna talk about it. You know what the rest is for. But this one's super adorable. Forget cute, it's adorable. Look at it. It has hearts all over it. Like, it's just so girly. It just gets girly. You girl a lot. Like, tell me you just don't. Tell me you just don't scream. Girly. It's just don't scream. I'm just a girl. Like, it's so cute. I love the hearts. I love the coloring on them. I just love everything about this. It just makes me happy. So I got this, and I think this is the last one of these little vest things I got. And I think I got 3. So I think this is the last one. I might insert a clip of them. I just got these because if you follow me, the next item I got is this white dress, and I don't have a justification for this white dress. I hope it fits. It's from the Shein Haul collection. So clearly I was just feeling very girly, very femme, very la 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 la, like. But it was just so cute. Like, I know it probably does not look like much holding it because you gotta like make it work. But it's like this wrap around your neck. So this part go around your neck, right? Yeah, okay. So y'all see, follow me. Follow me. This part go around your neck. And then this comes up. And like, it's like lace. Like, yeah, y'all see. Y'all kind of see it. I'll try to insert a picture. Like, I'll try to insert pictures of stuff that's this long lace dress. And it kind of like flings out. It's like a little mermaid style thing. And I just thought it was cute. Like, it just gave me spring. I like the cute, like, crunch dress. I don't know. I just really like it. So I got it. So I'm hoping it does fit. I'm hoping it looks good on. Pinstripe, but I actually really like pinstripe. It also has these little lace peekaroos, which I love. And then it has both. Like, tell me, she just don't eat down. She eats down. Eats down. And it's just so cute. Like, I feel like some days I'm not really into black. Like, it's not what I want to wear, but when I do wear black, I need it to be a statement piece. I need it to be something really cute, really like, oh, that, if that's the moment. This gives me that. I just love it. Like, I just think it gives grown, it gives sexy, it gives flirty, it gives playful. It just gives. So it is this, I know it's a lot going on here, so follow me, okay? It's this lace dress. So this ties, like, if you want, you can tie it on the back. Or you let it drop, it's your business. But this is the front, and it got like this little lace detail here. It look like that. It's a black dress, and then it's cut out on the sides, and then the sides laced up. Like, yeah, y'all see. And then it's long, right, okay. And then it slits, and it's got this lace trim. It's so cute. Like, I just feel like this is very much thrown up in there. Like, yeah. I'm obsessed with this dress. I hope it fits. I love it. I love it down. I loved it on the model. I loved it on the website. I loved everything about it. And I love the little bow detail. Like, I love that it has a slit. If you are not new here, you know I love a slit. So, everything about this is not skirt. I got these shorts. And y'all, like, they are like cowhide, cow print shorts, and they're fuzzy. They are so fabulous. Like, I love this pattern. This pattern to me is just so, I don't know, but I love it. These are like adorable. I think they're gonna fit perfect. And I hope they fit perfect. They are fuzzy, so they got that going on for them. They kind of like, if I can tie like fuzzy stuff, because like I done got 3 or 4 fuzzy vests. I like fuzzy stuff. So yeah, I am excited to wear them. I do have some other matching pieces. Like I said, if you ain't new here, then you should know. If you know, you know. And if you don't, well, you better do your research to go find out. But this is the last item I got. I hope y'all enjoy. Thank y'all for spending some time. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.